Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video here we successfully complete our form validation project and I hope you like it very much. So now in this video we'll develop another project. So before do that work, so that is our form validate all that our code, right? I have already saved all that code from to our JavaScript and I save it in our project exercise file. That is our project 4 as a form validation. You can see that is our done. Okay, so every code you will get it from to this area. So that is our 4 project. And now I want to add another mini project. So friend, as I told you, step by step we'll go more deep and we'll develop multiple projects, and I hope JavaScript will be very easy to you. Like right now there is a project 5 and here I have already created one of the structure. That is one of the index.css, that are one of the index.html, and that is our main work in our index.js. Here we have to add, right? I hope you already know about that structure, and if you open that our file, that is the index.html file, and you can see our project will be here. That is one of the text area. So from to this position, if you add any text, click as the add text, then this text will be added in particular that area. Okay, and this all the data I will save in our local storage. So now in this video we'll work into the local storage area, and from to this area, if you want to make this as a done, then that will be as executed. From here, if you want to edit it, if you can edit it, if you want to delete it, then that will be deleted. So right now that is all that is static is structure. Now step by step we'll make it as interactive. Okay, so for doing this, our first work is we have to do, right now we don't need this. That is our new project. I want to take it. Okay, that is our project file. That is a static file. I copy it and then I want to add it in our JavaScript folder. Into the JavaScript folder here, I simply paste it. Okay, and now I want to add this project. I want to add this project in our Visual Studio Code editor with the open folder. I simply, that is our JavaScript. I select our text. There is a text list. I select this project. Now that will be loaded in here. Okay, now you see it's now perfectly get all the data, and now there is a index.js. So here will actually work. Right now it's totally empty, but there is I have some of the CSS. I have already write down some of the CSS, and also there is a index.html. And into the index.html, you can see that is one of the text list title. There have one of the add list. So that is over here we have to work. And then if you go like that is one of the header. Okay, into this header there is the input field for the add data. I hope if you know a little bit that HTML or CSS, it's very easy on some of the static structure. Okay, you can see I have also loaded that script as index.js, so which is totally fine. And in particular that position, that is one of the tasks. Okay, so here you can see that is our act task, and then there is a task list. So that is our task list. Okay, so if you want to add another task list, then you can actually add it. Then there have the another, there is actually task list. You can see there is a task list. So now I want to add another task list. If you select this div, so now there is another div. If you copy it, and then if you add another one, okay, I want to simply paste it. Now click as a save all, and now I want to run it with our live server. I want to simply run it. Okay, I run it, live server is open. You can see now there is another task is successfully added. Great. Right now we don't need this, so that is our task. So here we successfully set up our UI for this project. Now step by step we'll make it as a dynamic. So how can do that work? Step by step I will show you everything with the live example. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.